Using from Turtle Import All is convenient, but be warned that it imports a rather large collection of objects, and if you're doing anything but Turtle graphics, you run the risk of a name conflict. This becomes even more an issue if you're using Turtle graphics in a script where other modules might be imported. It's more usual and much more powerful to use the object-oriented approach to Turtle graphics. For example, this allows multiple turtles on screen at once. In this approach, the various Turtle commands are methods of objects, mostly of Turtle objects. Penup and pendown are two functions used to control whether the turtle draws on the screen or not. These functions are commonly used when you want the turtle to move to a new position without leaving a trail, penup, or when you want the turtle to start drawing again, pendown. Please refer to the official documentation to explore other pen control commands. Experiment with different pen colors and line thickness using pencolor and pensize. Exercise 2. Draw an equilateral triangle. Change the pen color for each side of the triangle.